Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to request control in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we go to the Google Meet website and start an instant meeting. So it's up to you guys. So the thing is that you wanted uh, someone or a person to control your screen here in Google Meet. So in order for us to do that is we need to download the what? The Chrome Remote Desktop. So for me, I already downloaded it or added to my Chrome. Okay, this one guys, the Chrome Remote Desktop. So what we're gonna do guys is you need to generate a code. So this one guys here on the left side we can have here three options here with remote access, remote support, and set up via SSH. So you just have to like this remote support, and here guys share this screen, generate a code guys and share it to a person that you wanted to access or control your screen. Okay, so copy this one, copy this code and go to the or share it to other people guys. So if this Chrome guys is from other person, you just have to paste the code here. It says connect to other computer and click the connect button guys. Okay, it says that contacting the owner. So here guys we need to share or click this share button so we can or so the person that you share you send the link can access your screen. Okay, click that one, and after that guys, so that person guys is now successfully having access on your computer or on your screen. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Meet. Thank you.